In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave Google Meet effectively. Whether you're wrapping up an important meeting, just finished a virtual hangout with friends, or need to move on to your next commitment, knowing how to leave a Google Meet is essential. So, let's dive right into it and make sure you're comfortable with this straightforward yet important process. First, let's make sure you're in a Google Meet session. If you're not there yet, join a meeting through a calendar invite, a shared link, or the Google Meet application. Once you're in the meeting, you'll see various controls displayed at the bottom of your screen. These control options make up the heart of Google Meet's interface, designed to facilitate a smooth video conferencing experience. Now, let's focus on the particular aspect of leaving the call. It might sound simple, but amidst other controls and a busy meeting, it's easy to overlook the exit process. On your screen, specifically at the bottom center, you'll see a red phone icon. This icon is your gateway to leaving the meeting. It's vital to understand that this is the universal sign for hanging up, much like in traditional phone systems. When you hover over this icon, or when it's visible to you, confidently click on it. This action will disconnect you from the ongoing Meet session. And just like that, you've successfully left the meeting. It's that straightforward. However, if you're on a tablet or mobile device, the process is essentially the same. Tap the screen to reveal the controls if they aren't already visible, and simply tap the red phone icon to disconnect from the call. A helpful tip is to always ensure that you've confirmed you want to leave, especially if you're using a touchscreen device, as accidental touches could disrupt your meeting experience. Plus, making sure you're not the host, locking others in the call unintentionally, is a good practice. If you're the host, leaving the call isn't just polite, it's also integral if you've set up the meeting to end when you exit. While technology can sometimes throw in unexpected turns, Google Meet's user interface maintains its simplicity, allowing users at all levels to manage their virtual meetings with ease. Whether you're on a laptop, desktop, tablet, or smartphone, these core steps remain constant, affirming the intuitive nature of this platform. Practice makes perfect, so feel free to simulate a call by yourself or with a trusted companion until leaving the meeting feels second nature. Understanding these features well can make virtual collaboration less daunting and more productive. Thank you for watching, and I hope leaving your next Google Meet is smoother now that you know exactly what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your digital tools.